Hi guys, I'm Rezus13 and I want to show you how to work with MySQL actions and MySQL model at all. So we have example scene, we have player, characters, and they all move to this finish line. So on start trigger we need to define MySQL connection and store it to global variable. Then on start trigger which moves robots, it makes a random variable of run speed. You can download the section from hub and change characters run speed, and then move character, and then move character to marker. I have two robots, I have two characters that move to this finish line, and have a player. So let's make a trigger in this cube. Trigger enter and make some action, and somebody enters the cube. We'll define a winner and make it invoker. Now let's call MySQL insert action. Define the connection variable. This is our winners table. Table name winners, like this. How much columns we want to store? Only one winner. And let's take it from local variable game object winner. So when robot or player will cross this trigger, it will store into local variable and then this records to database. And we want to clear results. Make a second trigger. Player enter and make actions with MySQL clear table. Define connection and table name winners. So now let's hit play. This robot is faster than me. Yeah, we're all crossed up finish line, and we have a winner. The character 1 is more faster than me, then character 2. Now let's enter clear cube, and we have cleared our table. That's all.